Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you this CPLAY2air product that help you to connect your iPhone to your car's factory installed Apple CarPlay via wireless without using a traditional cord. Usually to connect to your CarPlay you need to connect your cord to car's USB port and then to your iPhone, and then you can use CarPlay. But now you can use this CarPlay app wireless, just connecting this CPLAY2air to a USB port, and that's it. So here it is. It has also a user manual that shows you how you connect your device to your iPhone. So this is the dongle. It looks very nice. It's all black. It has a short cable. The price for CPLAY2air is approximately $130. So remove the old cord and connect the new CPLAY2air dongle to the USB port. Then turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi from your iPhone. Then select your device and check your phone for pairing confirmation. Then turn on the car. And if you can see, you can activate Apple CarPlay from the central display. And that's it. So from now on you don't need to do anything. Every time you start the engine, the CPLAY2air will connect to your iPhone automatically. So this is the CarPlay. Now you can use some apps from your iPhone directly from your central display. You can use Google Maps, you can read messages, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Waze, Spotify, and many other apps. It's very simple. You can also use Siri from the voice command button. Also, you can hide the CPLAY2air dongle in the armrest if you have a USB port there. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.